The reason I'm wearing these because I'm super tired. I didn't sleep much. See? So I don't want you guys to see this lazy, you know. But overall, I look cool with it too, so I hope so. Hey guys, it's K1 and today I'm gonna make a full review about my newest preset pack, which is completely inspired by Swiss nature. So a month ago, actually 2 months ago, I was with my friend for a couple days in Swiss and I got so many good shots. And there were so many shots in different environment, like snowy, night, sometimes we were going to forest, like different colors. So I was like, why not create a preset pack that could be ideal for every season, pretty much every colors. So that's what I did. I created 26 carefully Lightroom preset that could be ideal for pretty much every situation, different lighting, different vibe, such as snowy, night, green, and moody. Obviously we have to go with that. But yeah guys, without further ado, let's just jump to Lightroom and show you guys the process of these presets.
Alright guys, so here we are. Let's have some fun with the preset. These are the preset pack. As you can see, we have 26 starting from moody, night, portrait, snow, and winter. Alright, so these are some night pictures here. I think I'm gonna go with the winter. I think winter would fit the best, yeah. Plus we have winter -1, -2, +1. So this is depending on what kind of contrast you want. So I think I would go a little bit, I'll add some exposure, bring down some highlight. You always have to adjust it, guys. I'm gonna add some dark vignette here with a gradient, you know, here. I'm gonna make it dark, maybe up. I'm gonna make it up a little bit dark too. Yeah, pretty much like this, and then we're gonna grab this thing. I don't know what to call, to be honest, but you know, this circle thing that you can apply adjustments. You're gonna click invert, so we're gonna it already looks amazing, really. Then add some more exposure, maybe add a little bit of temperature, so warm temperature, and yeah, boom guys. Maybe the darkness in the bottom is too much, but yeah, pretty much like this. Before, after, before, after. So pretty much this is how I work with the presets. Obviously with one click you won't get a perfect result. You have to do some little adjustment to really get the result that you want. Now let's jump to the next one. Because we have a similar photo here, I'm just gonna click previews and then boom. You see it's already kind of good. Then I'm gonna just change some small adjustment here. Maybe this one, this side a little bit more, and also I think I need to straighten it a little bit, and boom, there we go. So before, after, before, after. This is what I love about Lightroom, because it gives you a really cohesive look. You just click previews and boom, you have it. And with some simple adjustment, you have it. And again, same thing here, pretty much like this. Before, after, before, after. All right, now let's jump to this one. I think I'm gonna use, I think I'll also go with winter this time here. Yeah. I'll go with winter. I'll add some, yes, I'll add some warmness, temperature here, add some shadow, add some highlight, and pretty much same previews, and boom, before, after. The next one, boom. Alright, now here I'm gonna try to do something different. As you can see, I think I would go with, let's see, I'll go with, here I'm probably gonna use snowy. Yeah, snowy +1. Maybe add some contrast, add some shadow here, bring down some, yeah, pretty much like this. Yes, I mean before, after, before, after. The next one, click previous, before, before, after, but then I'm gonna, so yeah, before, after, click previous again, maybe bring down some of the warm temperature here, add more shadow, add some highlights here. So yeah, I mean, pretty much this is how it goes. Click previous again. I personally would add some darkness, or maybe this is even nicer, some white hazy look to the top of the image. And also I would go with some darkness here, so let's create some kind of gradient. I really like it. And maybe I can add some brightness to the middle, kind of get this hazy look to it, a little bit of contrast. And pretty much, yeah guys, before, after. Alright guys, so you get the point. Now we have around 80 photos that I will be working on, but I'm gonna speed it up so I can save your time. But I will be using only preset from this bag, and you will see by yourself and what kind of result you would get to. Alright, here we go.
Alright guys, so I hope you will enjoy my preset as much as I enjoy creating them. If you're interested to get the preset back, now you can get it with a special discount. 30% discount off, and it's only limited for the first 30 purchases, so hurry up if you want to get the deal, and I see you in the next one. Peace.